Today, we're diving into the world of industrial-grade computing with the PARTAKER Fanless industrial computer. With its compact size and powerful Intel Celeron processor, this mini PC is designed to handle a variety of tasks without making a peep. The fanless cooling design not only ensures silent operation but also promotes efficient heat dissipation, thanks to its robust aluminum alloy chassis. Equipped with an Intel Celeron 1007U processor, 4GB of RAM, and a 128GB SSD, this mini PC offers a snappy and responsive computing experience. Whether you're tackling office tasks, streaming multimedia content, or multitasking between applications, the PARTAKER Fanless industrial computer delivers smooth performance without breaking a sweat. One standout feature of this mini PC is its dual-screen display capability, with HDMI and VGA outputs allowing for versatile connectivity options. Whether you're working on spreadsheets while watching videos or engaging in video conferences with colleagues, the ability to connect two displays simultaneously enhances productivity and multitasking capabilities. In terms of connectivity, the PARTAKER Fanless industrial computer offers ample ports for peripheral devices. With 7 USB 2.0 ports, dual RS-232 COM ports, gigabit LAN, and audio ports, you can easily connect your favorite peripherals and accessories without hassle. Additionally, built-in Wi-Fi ensures seamless wireless connectivity for browsing the web and accessing online resources. Measuring just 211 by 150 by 52 mm and weighing only 1.3 kilograms, this mini PC is remarkably compact and lightweight, making it perfect for small office spaces or on-the-go productivity. Whether you need a reliable workstation for your home office or a portable computing solution for business trips, the PARTAKER Fanless industrial computer offers the versatility and performance you need. Overall, the PARTAKER Fanless industrial computer impresses with its silent operation, compact design, and robust performance. Whether you're a professional looking for a reliable workstation or a tech enthusiast exploring industrial-grade computing solutions, this mini PC delivers on all fronts. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.